guys, today we will be doing a Subway Surfers video again, and today I will be actually showing you all of my boards. Last video I made of showing all of my characters, but this time we're going to show all of my boards, and then my next video we're going to actually play and see how good I am. So I have lots and lots of boards. Let's start off with the beach board. Very nice board. Used it a couple times. Surf and Spray is not such a good board. We have the Crew Crush, which is a cool one. Again, we have another just Crew, same thing. We have Blue Ice, which is nice. And then we have Wild Style. We do not have the Toucan, but I think we could get it right now. I'll get it later. We have the Teleporter, which is a very overpowered one. You could zap and teleport. Then we have Scoots, and we could do where he also teleports. Or he has super speed. We have Sunset, which is a really nice board. You could either leave a pink trail or smooth drift, which is very nice. We have a Starboard, which is also amazing. With the Star Trail and double jump. I love the double jump. We have this. Oh, I want to get this actually. Splash. It's a good board actually. Like that. Freestyler. Nice board with the double jump and also the super jump one. Don't have that. I have the Skullfire one, which has the double jump and the super speed. It's a decent one. I have the Atlanta board. It looks cool, but no special abilities. The BAM one is actually really nice because it could also zap sideways and it has super jump as well. I do not have that one or that. Now this one is called the Bouncer, and you have like the rubbies on. So you have super jump on. I have the Daredevil with the super speed. It's very, very fast. I have the original one. I have the Dubai board, which is like represents rich. Then I have the Wind Glider, which is really nice how it drifts like that. And then I have this one, which I really love. It's the super speed and the smooth drift. And it's a very, very nice board. I have the Hot Rod, which is very fast as well. Kitty, normal board. Lowrider, you could stay low like that, including this one. But also this one you can double jump, and yeah, you can stay low. This one's a pretty nice one, the Monster. I have super speed and super jump. I got the Arabia board, which looks like the one from Aladdin. I have the Mexico board, Prickly, and I also have the big Kahuna. This one's also nice with the smooth drift and stay low. Well, that was all my boards. I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope you really play Subway Surfers a lot. Bye! See you in the next one!